Step-by-step guide on YouTube video optimization. Creating videos for YouTube is just the first step. To ensure your content reaches the right audience, you need to optimize each video effectively. This guide will walk you through the essential steps of YouTube video optimization. Step 1. YouTube keyword research. The first step to optimizing your YouTube videos is keyword research. Keywords are phrases that people use to search. By using the right keywords, you can increase the visibility of your videos. Before, a video titled, How to Make a Smoothie. After, a video titled, How to Make a Healthy Green Smoothie for Weight Loss. App recommendation. Use vidIQ for keyword research. Step 2. Thumbnail creation. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when they come across your video. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video views. Before, a plain screenshot from the video as the thumbnail. After, a custom-made thumbnail with text overlay and vibrant colors. App recommendation. Use Canva for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Step 3. Title optimization. Your video title should be catchy and include your primary keyword. This makes it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand what your video is about and who it should be shown to. Before, my vacation. After, exploring the beautiful beaches of Hawaii travel vlog. App recommendation. Use vidIQ for title optimization. Step 4. Description optimization. The description of your video should provide more information about the content and include your keywords. This helps YouTube and viewers understand the context of your video. Before, a day at the beach. After, join me as I explore the beautiful beaches of Hawaii in this travel vlog. If you're planning a Hawaii vacation, you'll find some great tips and destinations in this video. App recommendation. Use vidIQ for optimizing descriptions. Step 5. Tags. Tags help YouTube understand the content and context of your video. Use relevant tags that include your keywords. Before, beach holiday. After, Hawaii travel vlog, Hawaii beaches, Hawaii vacation tips. App recommendation. Use vidIQ for tag suggestions. Step 6. Captions and Subtitles. Captions and subtitles not only make your videos accessible to a wider audience, but they also help YouTube understand the content of your video. Before, no captions or subtitles. After, accurate and synchronized captions in English. App recommendation. Use YouTube's automatic captioning feature and edit for accuracy. Step 7. Chapters. Chapters allow viewers to navigate through your video content easily. They can also improve your video's search engine optimization. Before, no chapters. After, detailed chapters for each part of the video. App recommendation. Use YouTube's built-in feature to add chapters. Step 8. Cards. Cards can promote your other content or encourage viewers to interact with your video. Use them strategically to increase viewer engagement. Before, no cards. After, cards linking to related videos and a poll card asking viewers a question. App recommendation. Use YouTube's built-in feature to add cards. Step 9. End screen. End screens can guide viewers to more of your content or encourage them to subscribe to your channel. Before, no end screen. After, end screen with a video suggestion and a subscribe button. App recommendation. Use YouTube's built-in feature to add an end screen. Step 10. Playlist creation. Playlists can group your videos together based on a theme or series. This can lead to increased watch time and viewer engagement. Before, no playlists. After, a playlist titled Hawaii Travel Vlogs. App recommendation. Use YouTube's built-in feature to create playlists. Step 11. Schedule, timing, and publishing. Publishing your videos at the right time can lead to higher initial viewership. Analyze your audience to understand when they are most active on YouTube. Before, publishing videos randomly. After, publishing videos when the majority of viewers are online. App recommendation. Use YouTube's analytics to understand your audience's behavior. By following these steps, you can optimize your YouTube videos effectively, leading to increased visibility and engagement. Want to learn more? Join my mailing list by clicking the link below